So let's create the clothes and shopping challenge. I'm going to go down here to video, give it a name, and then I'm going to start from scratch here. So I've got some writing here, which I did, which is some questions and answers of a typical conversation in the shop. So let's start with this first one. ¿En qué le puedo ayudar? How can I help you? So let's get on with our first one. So you have different layout options down here. I might start off with the caption, and I can put my text down the bottom here. I can change the size if I like, and also I can put a photo in the background. So here, because I'm looking for shoes, I'm going to search for a shoe shop. Okay, this one looks great. I can move this text around, so I'll move it up to the top. Might make it a little bit smaller as well. And then I can record my voiceover. I can just read the text that's on the screen. So press and hold, wait for a second, and then start speaking. Wait for a second and let go. ¿En qué le puedo ayudar? Perfect. Now you can check it just by pressing the play button there. I can hear my voiceover in my headphones there. And I can also hear that there's some music going on in the background. So you can go to music, you can turn it down maybe just slightly, just so you can hear your voiceover better. And then you can scroll through any of these. I like the setting out one, so I'm going to choose that and just leave that as it is. And then next up, I'm going to put another slide in, press this button down in the bottom left. And then what have I got for my second one here? Okay, I'm looking for some shoes for my little sister. These are good. Okay, so I can go back here. I can put my text in. Maybe this time in terms of layout, I'll just go for a full screen layout. Put my text in the middle here. I can reduce the size ever so slightly. And then I'm going to put a photo in the background. And here I might search for Nike, see what comes up here. Okay, cool. Oh, I love these ones. I love the high tops. They're cool. I'm going to move that text up there. Busco unos zapatos para mi hermana menor. Estos son buenos. Cool. Next slide, put it in there. And then I'll go, and I think this time I'll actually do the question and answer in one slide. So I'm going to copy that text. This time I'll use a split screen. I'll put my text on one side. And then on the other side, I'll go for a photo. And then they're asking, how old is your little sister, or how old is your sister? So I'll search for a young child, see what comes up. This one's cool. And then I can zoom in on that photo if I want. And then question and answer. ¿Cuántos años tiene su hermana? Tiene 8 años. Perfect. At any time you can press the play in the slide here, and you can listen to your work, or you can press the one in the bottom left here and it will play everything from the start. Okay, so let me carry on here. I'm going to put an extra slide in. I think this time maybe I'll go for title and text layout, but again I think I'm going to do the question and answer here. So I'll grab that, and then I'll go back and put in my text. So I'll split it up with the question in one box and then the answer in another. Maybe I'll make that a little bit bigger. And then they're asking, what is a shoe size? So maybe I can just search for foot here. This one's pretty good fun. Like that one. ¿Cuál es su número de pie? Es un 28 ahora, pero quiero comprar una talla más grande. Okay. Then next up, do a split screen, I think, because I'm going to do this question and the answer together. And this time I'm actually I'll put my text in, make it slightly bigger, but on this side I'll use an icon. So you've got a whole library of icons that you can use here. So maybe I'll go for, how much does it cost, and put a kind of till in there. So I could search for something like price tag. I wonder if you get anything. Yeah, you could do that if you wanted to. ¿Cuánto cuestan? Cuestan 20 euros. Okay, and then last but not least, let's finish it off with a full screen, and then my answer here. Gracias, lo quiero comprar, or los quiero comprar. And I'm going to search for, what am I going to search for here? Pay. I'll put pay in, what do I get? That's quite a cool one. Yeah, I like that sort of contact. Press the plus, put my text in, and there we go. I just need to record my voiceover. Gracias, I think I was getting that wrong there, so I can just record over the top, and it's going to get rid of that mistake. Gracias, los quiero comprar. When you're ready, you can check through by pressing the play in the bottom left, listen to it in your headphones or however you're listening to it, Just check everything is in there that you need. And then when you're ready, you can download it to your machine. I won't sort of leave that one in the background. If you need to download it, just press that and it'll do its thing, take a couple of minutes. Or you can press share and publish and then create a link. Once you've generated your link, you can copy it and you can send it via email to whoever you like, or you can share it via Microsoft Teams or Google Classrooms. Okay, good luck.